Okay. Hai, Dr. Kartik sini. So, soalan tadi, if tiga serangkai kan, tiga serangkai kita tahu it's diabetes, hypertension and cholesterol lah, right? Kalau orang-orang macam tu, what they can take our BE products kan? Banyak je sebenarnya yang boleh ambil. Okay, if I lah, personally, I will see what is the priority, right? Some people memang dia ada tiga serangkai, tapi mungkin diabetes dia control, mungkin hypertension dia control, mungkin yang tak control is cholesterol dia, right? But apa-apa pun, first I will say I will suggest Alora. Memang I will go back to the basic. I'll suggest Alora. Why I say that is, okay, kalau saya bagi contoh lah, kencing manis kita bagi Zenkoso kan, kita kata Zenkoso will help, banyak supplements dekat situ kan, 98 herbals di situ, fermented for 8 years kan, kita bagi tahu, so it's going to so help your kencing manis level. Tetapi kalau you tak pakai Alora, kalau jalan raya you tak betul, you bawa lah barang yang sehebat mana pun, you boleh sampai ke destinasi tu. So that's my concept. So back to basics, saya memang akan syorkan kalau dia tak pakai lagi Alora, I'll syorkan them to wear the Alora. You improve your circulation first. Apa-apa pun kalau circulation tak betul, that things doesn't work. Right, nombor satu. Nombor dua, then maybe I will tell lah. Okay, it's either you take leave for ke, then koso ke, things like that. But make sure diorang kena faham kenapa kita suggest. Because the first time kalau you pergi suggest, you tulis je makan ni, makan ni, makan ni, ambil ni, ambil ni, dia takkan datang balik dekat you. Dia kata you ni menjual, right? So like what I was taught, what I feel that right is you suggest them to improve their health, not that you go and selling things to them, you know, right? So basic Alora, I usually akan suggest one. Circulation improve. Then once the circulation improve, then maybe you can put in your Zenkoso ke, your Leaf Core ke. But the selalu yang akan ada tu mesti Leaf Core pun akan ada lah. Because Leaf Core also for our liver. Liver satu tu je. Selalu kita akan terlepas pandang liver. Selalu kita akan takut buah pinggang rosak, buah pinggang rosak. Tetapi sebelah buah pinggang tu liver tu tak nak tengok pun. Sebab tak nampak simptom kan. So Leaf Core also is one of the product that always I will masukkan juga. Tak kisahlah. Always Leaf Core tu kita bagi untuk orang yang gout sahaja. But actually Leaf Core, everyone always can take Leaf Core. Okay, it's to detox awak minum air detox macam-macam. Tapi nak ambil pil Leaf Core tu, it's also going to detox yourself what. So like that. So Alora, then our Bilix product surely akan ada Leaf Core. Then lain-lain tu you suggest accordingly lah. Because not everyone you tell the same thing. No. For me, the concept is lain-lain orang akan ada lain-lain prescription yang I bagi. According to them. Okay. Agam.